Hello guys, in this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer stands out as the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone who loves crisp, delicious food without the excess oil. With its 4 versatile functions, this model lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate effortlessly. Its 5-quart capacity is ideal for families, easily fitting up to 4 pounds of French fries or a full meal in one go. The non-stick basket and crisper plate ensure that cleanup is as easy as cooking, making it perfect for daily use. One of the main reasons this air fryer earns the top spot is its ability to cook evenly and quickly. The maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit helps achieve that perfect golden texture that rivals traditional frying methods, all while using a fraction of the oil. The compact yet powerful design makes it a fantastic fit for any kitchen, whether you have limited space or love showcasing sleek appliances. Another notable feature is its quiet operation, which makes it ideal for busy households. You can reheat leftovers to restaurant-quality crispness or dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. With intuitive controls and a durable build, the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer delivers performance, reliability, and consistency every single time. For anyone who values versatility and crisp perfection, this air fryer is an unmatched choice that combines function, style, and convenience into one dependable package. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer takes compact cooking to a whole new level. Designed for small families or individuals who want versatility in a compact form, this 4-quart air fryer brings 6 different functions to your countertop. It allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat all with one easy-to-use appliance. Its stainless steel finish not only looks modern, but also ensures durability for long-term use. What makes the Instant Pot Vortex Plus special is its combination of smart technology and precision. The customizable program options allow you to save your favorite cooking settings for easy one-touch access. Whether you are crisping up frozen snacks or roasting vegetables, it delivers consistent results thanks to its EvenCrisp airflow technology. The built-in digital display makes operations simple, and the preheating time is remarkably short, meaning your food is ready faster. For those who like to explore recipes, the companion app offers over 100 ideas, helping you experiment with new dishes. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless, and the compact size fits perfectly in small kitchens or dorms. Its quiet performance, energy efficiency, and ability to deliver crispy, tender results make it a favorite for everyday cooking. If you want professional-level crispiness in a mini form, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer is a smart and stylish choice. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a powerhouse designed for serious home cooks. With its massive 26-quart capacity, it easily handles large meals, making it perfect for families or gatherings. This model combines air frying with traditional oven functionality, offering an impressive 24 cooking functions that include toasting, baking, roasting, broiling, and dehydrating. The French door design adds a touch of elegance and practicality, allowing easy access without taking up extra counter space. Its digital control panel ensures precise temperature and time settings, giving you complete control over your cooking results. The air circulation technology ensures even heat distribution, achieving the crispy texture you love without the greasiness of deep frying. What sets this model apart is its versatility and performance. It can handle everything from a whole chicken to a tray of cookies or a family-sized pizza. The 7 included accessories make it even more flexible, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. The stainless steel finish ensures it looks great in any kitchen while being easy to clean and maintain. For those who love multifunction appliances, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a complete kitchen solution. It's not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one cooking powerhouse that replaces several appliances, saving you both time and space while enhancing your cooking creativity. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill combines classic design with modern air frying technology. With 8 built-in cooking functions, this appliance allows you to air fry, bake, broil, grill, warm, and more, giving you the flexibility to prepare all types of meals with ease. Powered by an 1800-watt motor, it ensures rapid and even cooking for perfect results every time. Its stainless steel construction is both durable and attractive, adding a professional touch to any countertop. The large interior capacity makes it possible to prepare family-sized portions without sacrificing quality or taste. The adjustable temperature controls and 60-minute timer provide precision, while the convection baking feature ensures even browning and crisp textures. The inclusion of a grill adds a unique touch, making it suitable for searing meats, melting cheese, or toasting sandwiches to perfection. The non-stick interior simplifies cleanup, and the viewing window allows you to monitor your food without opening the door. Cuisinart has a long-standing reputation for reliability, and this model upholds that tradition. It delivers consistent, flavorful results across a wide range of foods. Whether you are air-frying fries, baking cookies, or grilling steaks, it performs with impressive accuracy and efficiency. For those who appreciate functionality and build quality in one package, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven offers a premium experience that elevates home cooking. Number 5. TAQUEP 7-in-1 Air Fryer. The TAQUEP 7-in-1 Air Fryer brings modern design and advanced functionality together for a complete cooking experience. This 5-quart digital air fryer oven features 7 smart cooking modes, allowing you to bake, roast, dehydrate, air fry, and more, all in one user-friendly appliance. The visible window design is a standout feature, giving you a clear view of your food as it cooks, helping you achieve perfect doneness every time. With a 1500-watt motor, it heats quickly and maintains steady temperatures for consistent results. The large capacity makes it suitable for families, while the low-noise operation ensures it won't disrupt your kitchen environment. Its touch control panel is intuitive, allowing for easy adjustments of temperature and time. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup, while the even heat circulation ensures your meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. From crunchy fries to juicy chicken wings, this air fryer handles it all with ease. Another major advantage is its energy efficiency, allowing you to cook faster and use less electricity compared to traditional ovens. Its sleek, compact shape makes it a great fit for modern kitchens. For those seeking balance of performance, aesthetics, and practicality, the TAQUEP 7-in-1 Air Fryer is an excellent choice that makes healthy cooking effortless and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.